Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy way to duplicate a PowerPoint file right inside the Dropbox mobile app. Whether you need a backup, want to experiment with edits, or simply keep multiple versions on hand, this process is simple and takes just a minute. Follow along, and you'll be duplicating files with confidence in no time. First, grab your phone and open up the Dropbox app. You'll want to make sure you're logged into the account where your PowerPoint file is saved. Once you're in, head down to the bottom of your screen and tap on the Files tab. This section shows all your uploaded files and folders, making it easy to find exactly what you need. Scroll through your files or use the search bar to locate the PowerPoint file you want to duplicate. Once you've found it, look to the right side of the file's name. You'll see 3 little dots stacked vertically. Go ahead and tap those dots. This brings up a handy menu with a variety of options for your file. From this menu, tap on Duplicate. Dropbox will now prompt you to choose a destination for your new copy. You can keep it in the same folder as the original or select a different one if that fits your needs better. Take a moment to browse and select the right location. Once your destination is set, all that's left to do is confirm. Tap Duplicate, and Dropbox will instantly make a copy of your PowerPoint file in the folder you selected. That's it. Your duplicate is created and ready for you to use however you like. Duplicating files in Dropbox Mobile is a real time saver, letting you organize your work and stay on top of multiple versions, all from your phone. Give this a try the next time you need an extra copy, and keep your projects flowing smoothly. Thanks for watching.